Well, hello everyone. I'm Paul Akers, and I'm here at the Lexus Headquarters in Kyushu, Japan with Mr. Amezawa, former Vice President of Lexus and President of Georgetown, Kentucky, and Mommy Takeda. We lead Japan study missions. We've been doing together as a team for almost 7 years now. And I had this idea about a week ago. I woke up in the morning and I said, you know what? We should really record all the amazing thinking of Mr. Amezawa because he has just had so much amazing teaching and learning for all of us here in Japan. And I thought, let's try to capture it in a video, but even more so, let's create a book. So we're going to take this video series that we're doing right now, and we're going to transpose it into a book about Mr. Amezawa's life working at Toyota. And so we'll have both the book and the video forever, so we never lose this amazing thinking. So welcome, Mr. Amezawa, and thanks for coming. It's awesome that you would do this. No, no problem. If no problems, you have a problem. There we go. So let's start off with Mr. Amezawa's history at Toyota.
Here's my history at Toyota. I was born in Tokyo and raised in Mishima City. After graduating from the university, I joined Toyota and mostly worked at the plant.
Work at the plant site? Okay, right. What plant originally, do you remember?
I started at Motomachi plant, then Tsutsumi plant, and then I go to Georgetown, Kentucky.
Okay.
After I finished the Georgetown plant, I came back to the Kyushu plant, Kyushu Lexus plant.
Where you started with Lexus. And that's where we are right now. We're at the Lexus plant. It's been an amazing experience being here.
This is my father. He came from a farming family. He spoke English very well.
Really? Oh, I didn't know that. He spoke English really well.
He worked at Yokohama Rubber Company. They produce rubber belts for coal mines and tires.
I'm curious. I didn't know that. Why did he learn English?
He was so clever he didn't have to pay anything for the university. He got a full scholarship. He got into the university for free.
Got there for free.
So he was honor student.
Okay.
Didn't have to pay for the job.
He was a son of a farmer. Nobody ever went to university. The family didn't have any money.
So because of how clever he was, he got it there for free. Good.
I joined Toyota and my first job was to find a beautiful wife. My wife was one of them.
Yeah.
This is my wife and my first daughter. At that time, Toyota was in the middle of a rice field.
So they weren't very sophisticated at that time.
Katsuaki Watanabe, the former president of Toyota, was my brother-in-law. Our wives are sisters.
Who was the older sister?
Watanabe.
Okay. He was president of Toyota in 2005.
Watanabe-san is actually younger than me by 1 week.
Oh, really?
1 week.
Same week, same month. Birthday is the same month.
How about that?
There are 3 sisters, and all the husbands are the same age, same month, same year.
Really? Do they all work for Toyota?
No. Toyota and Osaka Merchandise Company. This is my history at Toyota. I was really satisfied with my job.
You were very satisfied with your job at Toyota, very happy at Toyota.
And I've moved many places, but I always volunteer and chose the places with the most problems. The company allowed me to move a lot.
So you got to move around all different positions at Toyota, and the company allowed you to do that because basically you went to where the problems were. Wherever there was a plant, there was a problem, you would go there and work and solve that problem. And the Japanese word for that is mondai.
Monday.
You know, it's very interesting because I just learned today as we were going through the slide deck before we started this, that you went specifically to Georgetown, Kentucky to solve a problem there. They moved you from Toyota City to go there. So I'm always discovering new things. Every time we go through this slide deck, it's just amazing what we learn.
One of the reasons that Toyota is so good is because Toyota thinks they are not perfect.
Toyota is not perfect, right? And we know that. But for us, it's perfect. For you, it's not perfect. For the rest of us mere mortals, we think Toyota is perfect.